Hey friends, it's Sean, and many of you are interested in learning telekinesis, also known as psychokinesis, or you're learning it currently from my books or my online course. And you probably have people in your life who tell you that there's no proof at all for mind over matter for telekinesis, that science has disproved all of it. And that's really a flat out lie. What we do have is a lot of evidence, and because of the current state of science and parapsychology, and with the help of technology, we are able to measure the effects of consciousness on matter. As an example, about a week ago, I got to take part in a study at the University of Colorado that's being done by my friend Kavan Ganapati. And in this study, he's using a random number generator to see if the mind can affect how the random number generator spits out its ones and zeros, or can cause a deviation in the performance of the random number generator. Now, random number generator, like he was using, is about this big. It's a little device attached to a computer that spits out ones and zeros randomly, just like flipping a coin. Many times per second, and because of averages, if you drew it on a chart, it should be a straight line, or pretty close to a straight line, up and down, not deviating very much. And the idea is that we can see whether or not someone's consciousness or their intention can affect how those ones and zeros come out of the random number generator. And I'm really simplifying this. If any of you really know a lot about RNGs or regs, random event generators, I'm really dumbing it down here so everyone can understand what's going on. Now, if we look on this chart, you see that it's got grid lines and it's got a 0 point where it goes straight across. And this is the result of one of my experiments using the random number generator. And you can see that the thick black line in the beginning is pretty close to that even part in the middle. So it's going randomly, but you can see that the black line starts to go up, and I was setting the intention for that line to go up, and that's all I wanted, for it to go up. I had a choice of going up or down, and I chose up. And as you can see, that black line goes higher and higher, crossing that green line, which is a line which measures substantial deviation, showing that this is really abnormal, that this is beyond pure chance, and that consciousness perhaps really is having an effect on the random number generator. And you can see that for the rest of that session, that black line carries on above the green border there. And this is something that's been done for many years. You can Google other projects like the Princeton Engineering Research Laboratory, also known as the PEAR Lab, or you can Google the Global Consciousness Project and see how they've done that to measure the effects of group consciousness onto random number generators. There's a lot of data out there, and thanks to technology and creative scientists who are willing to look at this stuff, we can see without a doubt that there seems to be an effect between consciousness and physical reality. So I hope this gives you confidence. If you're interested in learning telekinesis, either through my book, Defy Your Limits, or Meditation X, or taking one of my online courses, or if you learn it from anybody else, when someone tells you it's never been proven or there's no evidence for telekinesis, they're wrong. There's plenty of evidence for it, and this is just one example. If you're interested in taking part in the study that I did in Boulder, if you happen to live in Colorado, send me a Facebook note in the next couple of months, and I'll be able to send you the contact information from my friend Kavan and see if you can participate. It's September 1st, 2019, so if you're seeing this video in 2020 or 2021, it's probably too late. The study will hopefully be successfully accomplished by then. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you like my work, subscribe to this channel, visit mindpossible.com. You might consider purchasing one of my online courses or one of my books, and all the information is on my website. But there's a lot more to come down the road, so thanks for watching. Bye-bye.